In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in GoDaddy Website Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any piece of text into a clickable link that leads visitors where you want them to go. First, open your GoDaddy account and head to your site's dashboard. From there, select Edit Website. This opens the site editor, where you can work directly on your pages and see your changes as you make them. Give it a second to load, especially if your site has a lot of images or sections. Next, navigate to the page and section that contains the text you want to link. Click into that text area, then drag to highlight the exact words that should become the hyperlink. Choose a short, descriptive phrase so people know what they're clicking. Something like, "Learn more about our services" is clearer than just "click here." When the text is highlighted, look for the text formatting toolbar that appears right above or near your selection. Click the link icon, which looks like a small chain link. This opens the link settings panel or pop-up for that text. Inside the link settings, find the option labeled Link To. This tells GoDaddy what kind of destination you're planning to use. For this example, you're linking to a standard web address, so choose Website URL. You might notice there are other link types available, but for now you're keeping it simple with a direct URL. Now paste the full web address into the URL field. Make sure it includes the correct protocol, such as HTTP and double-check for any accidental spaces at the beginning or end. A clean, complete address prevents broken links and makes sure your visitors land on the right page. If you're pasting from a document, it's a good idea to quickly scan for extra characters that sometimes sneak in. With the URL in place, confirm your choice by clicking OK. Your highlighted text should now appear as a hyperlink, often styled with a different color or an underline depending on your theme. That visual change indicates it's clickable. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your link text meaningful for accessibility and SEO. Avoid very long URLs in the visible text by linking the phrase instead. And be consistent with your linking style across your site. If you ever need to update or remove the link, just highlight the same text again, open the link settings with the link icon, and make your edits. That's it. Your hyperlink is set and ready to guide visitors exactly where you want them to go.